Okay, what we have here is a 50mm top pivot from Signet, and it's been fitted there today by Dimitri onto this column for the gate post, and that's how he's fitted it on. Perfect. Lovely little gap there. All the way down. And then the bottom pivot, it's been welded in. Lovely little job. And a little hole there for the grease, right? Little grease hole. Perfect little job. And that's the first one we've put up there. So say hi, Dimitri.
Hello.
Hey. So Dimitri's now positioning up the second one of 50mm top pivot, holding it together with magnets at the moment. Positioning. Bottom pivot is already welded in there into the bar, and now we're just gonna weld it into place, right? Put it in situ, and then we can configure the rest of the gate, which should go in this space here. So thank you very much for the top and bottom pivot, Signets. And what do you think of those pivots? What do you think of the pivots? Those hinge pivots.
Oh, it's perfect. It's very strong.
Perfect, strong, easy to work with. Yeah.
We can load after 500 kilograms.
Yeah, 500 kilograms. That's a few children hanging around on that gate, right?
We need to bring all the children in this area.
Yeah. Come and play swing gate here. So thank you very much for those pivots. And pivot hinges from Signet. Perfect, huh? Yeah, thumbs up from Dimitri, that's good. You're lucky there. Thumbs up from Dimitri. Good day.